everyone, it's Kim here. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video of the glorious mini pink Razer mic. Razer has the bigger version that's actually $100 and more, and it was a bit much considering I already own a Yeti and a broken snowball mic. But when this mic was released recently and everyone was just posting this on their Instagram, I just couldn't resist getting this one, and the $50 price tag was a bit more reasonable even if I'm paying extra for it to be pink. And just letting everyone know, this entire voiceover for this video is being recorded with the actual Razer Mini, because I'm just wildly assuming everyone is here to hear the quality of the microphone and not to just hear about my day-to-day. I may be completely biased because I love this pink color, but this has to be my favoriteest mic purchase so far. And lately I've been streaming a lot on Twitch, and I was attracted to the idea of having a microphone that didn't pick up on background noises, plus the typing of my mechanical keyboard, because it can get quite loud. There's this feature called Ultra Precise Super Cardioid Pattern Pickup was supposed to help suppress these noises, and that reason enough to convince me that I needed this microphone to improve my 5-person viewer streams on a good day, and it was only a $50 splurge on Amazon. My first impression was, this is extremely tiny, like a microphone for babies almost. I did start wishing it was maybe like 2 inches bigger, but I think the size grew on me, and it may actually be the perfect size. I always struggle with desk space and realized very early on with my other old mics that they take up way too much space. And I really have no idea what to do with them when they're not in use. And honestly now, I probably own bigger cups than this microphone. I did see a big difference in sound, and my clicks are a lot more softened with this mic as well. Usually you would need to add additional settings to help suppress the background noises when you're using other mics like Yeti, but this is speaking strictly about streaming. But with this microphone, I was able to plug it in without having to use any additional settings. If I'm editing videos, I just place the mic in front of me to do voiceovers. But the problem is, I want to have a more dramatic, deeper, louder voice when I'm doing voiceovers, and having the microphone flat on the table is a little bit too low, and I do need to bring the mic a little bit more closer to my mouth, so I do end up having to just prop the microphone on top of a box regardless because it's too short. I want you guys to be able to hear every spit and every pop I make when I'm talking, so it doesn't do it for me when the microphone's flat on the table and it's like 5 inches away from my mouth. I could use a microphone stand to keep my mic out of the way, but I don't like having too much sound and video equipment laying around the house. I want to keep things a little bit minimal. The only thing I do not like about this is it doesn't show up on my streams. Like, you buy a pink mic just so you can show it off to the people you know on the internet, but this microphone is really short.
Testing 1 2 3.
When I'm walking around the room a lot, I wouldn't use this Razer mic. I would definitely leave that job to my Yeti that does a great job picking up every sound in the room and then the sounds in the other room. I had this microphone for a few weeks now, and I think it's great so far, and I do recommend it to others looking out to starting out streaming, YouTubing, and for someone that just wants to simplify their recording equipment and add a little bit of pink in their lives. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to visit me on Twitch because I get kind of lonely there, and I would like to increase my 5-year count streams. And yeah, that's all. Bye!